Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Sunday, starting standalone first node code. So I have tried already and tested the server version, and now I'm trying the Docker version. Fully testing so that I can demonstrate it to you. It is for AI agent first, but you can also use it as a standalone application. So AI agent can discover it through different endpoints and can also use it using other endpoints. Okay, so we're almost done. Here the purpose is just to plug it to any AI agent workflow, OS agnostic with Docker. I'm running the container now. And I'm testing the API endpoint for AI agent. You can check at my live video on MCPs. So here is the same concept. I'm building a schema discovery. AI agent calls it, gets this schema, so knows what to send next. The next agent is going to be sending the request. The provider already set it because it's part of the environment variables. And the agent gets a nice structured output, regular, consistent, always the same output, without any errors. Checking the UI, different providers, Hugging Face, Gemini, and Grok. So you can also use it to test different models with different providers, checking the output, depending on how smart is the AI behind your provider, the one that you pick for this task. So I'm doing this in January 2026. So this one for the date, at least is in the good range. While I'm trying Google, Gemini, the first one was Hugging Face. So just using the provider endpoint. And here is 2024 for Gemini, which is not good. And for the OpenAI one, which is the compatible to OpenAI, this one was the right one, the Grok, with OpenAI OSS behind it as a model. So this gave me the right date, draft reply, calendar suggestion, and the tasks. After, we can also see that there are provider settings, where you get the full power to put any custom settings. You can use Yama CPP, so it means that you can use it locally with all Yama as well, with LM Studio, just entering an API-based URL. API keys, it will be all saved, encrypted in a local SQLite database, and you can reveal it for 10 seconds. Checking the server for no sensitive logs. So you need to check everything. Nodes.checkerhouses.com. Visit it, it's on. Check out product page adjustment. So I'm adjusting the product page, going on the website, getting the details, checking the documentation for custom domain DNS. I'm going to use a subdomain. So now I found how to do it. I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to create a subdomain that I will call shopnode.checkerhouses.com. Let's call it like that. Add in the record. So it's going to be a C name. And after here, I put shop node for the name. It's going to be linked to the URL checkerhouses.com. And after here, for the target, I'm not sure yet. I just put it intuitively, creditizens.gumroad.com, which is my handle. And after I get rid of the proxy, I wait for 5 minutes and I verify. But as you see, it's red. I tried, it didn't work. So I went back to the documentation. Now I know what to put. It's domains www.gumroad.com for the target. So at this time, we can verify it's green. We can use this as a subdomain. Create service description. So I'm just creating here the description of the service. Adding the zip file and setting up payment gateway with my company details. Now I can publish and check out. The checkout is ready. The page is here, all good. Updating the website with the checkout link. So I need to test locally first. So we're going to do the test. I'm going to move to my dev branch, do the changes properly. I check, I click on it, I'm directed to the page. I'll be able to change it to the checkout page. Simple pipeline that you already know now. Dev, from my dev branch I go to main, and from main I go to the live website. That's how everything is updated from my local computer. So I'm going to be in the dev branch, I commit, I switch to the main branch, I'll merge my work from dev, just small changes, just adding some links, and after I push it. And after I'm going to at the end update the calendar for the end of the week. Just a week feedback on what I've done, what I've missed, and what I need to do for next week. Okay, postmortem. And after I put in red crosses what I didn't do, and check marks the week also. I changed the weight on the days. On Sunday I've been working. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.